Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the future of presentation making with the latest tool that's been making waves, Gamma AI. If you've ever dreamed of creating stunning presentation effortlessly, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what makes Gamma AI stand out. This AI driven app isn't just another presentation tool. It's designed to understand your content and help you craft presentations that not only look great but also communicate your ideas more effectively. Now, let's walk through how to get started. Step 1 is to download and install. Head over to the Gamma AI website or your app store. Download the app and install it on your device. Once installed, open the app and sign up or log into your account. Step 2 is to create or generate a new presentation. Once you're logged in, you'll see the generate button on the dashboard. Today we're learning how to create a presentation on Gamma. So click on presentation and input your content. Here's where Gamma AI shines. You can input the text for your presentation in a simple text box. Whether it's an idea or full script or bullet points, just type in or paste your content, then hit the generate button. Watch Gamma AI at work. Gamma AI will now analyze your content using advanced algorithms. It will structure your presentation, design slides, and even suggest images and graphs that complement your message. The AI can also generate summaries and key points, making your presentation more impactful. Customize your presentation and click on continue. Here you can edit your themes. You can see variations of themes here. Tap on whatever you'd prefer. Then click on generate. Now customize your presentation. Once Gamma AI presents its initial draft, it's over to you. You can customize the design, change layouts, or swap images from an extensive library. Gamma AI is all about collaboration between human creativity and AI efficiency. Now add your final touches. Use Gamma AI's intuitive editor to fine tune your presentation. You can adjust fonts, colors, and animations to make sure every slide reflects your unique style and message. And just like that, you've created a presentation that's sure to captivate your audience, all with the help of Gamma AI. The future of creating presentation is here, and it's incredibly exciting. Ready to give Gamma AI a try? Check out the link in the description to get started. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out an update from us. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where we'll explore more groundbreaking tech that makes life easier. Until then, keep innovating.